Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Okram Ibobi has demanded that the central government be held accountable for questioned leaks in different examinations across the country, including the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET examination. Addressing a press meet held today at Congress Bhavan, Imphal, Ibobi claimed that there have been 152 incidents of questioned leaks since the BJP came to power in 2014. He further highlighted the severe consequences of these lapses, which include cases of suicide among students driven by dejection. He added that the recurring irregularities have shattered the dreams of students and candidates across the country. The Congress leader went on to condemn the arrest of Sonam Wangchuk, who has been on a hunger strike demanding the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on moral grounds, calling it unfortunate. Ibobi also noted that the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has been voicing concerns against the BJP's alleged irregularities and actively campaigning to bring reforms to the country's education system by holding the Chatron Ki Gunj Voice of Students campaign under the theme Safe Education, Save Your Future.
Tunggi akhoi leipak sigi marai lepkadoribani aduna masileida angang sinsibu karimta khandana tawse masi akhoi mayam sangda masileida angang singsda moigi moral handariba mayam do madu support tawbo woina ningba kaidana ba haina laiba sarkar sida masigi protest haiba tare dhana se koi tawjabani aduga masigi Chatron Ki Gunj haina slogan amaga loina koi masigi press meeting si tawjabani haiba ai wafam khara haiba tare